Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release it through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to soften, your face to relax, and your whole body to settle into this moment. We'll begin by offering loving kindness to ourselves. Repeat these words after me. May I be safe. May I be healthy. May I live with ease. May I be happy. Now bring to mind someone you love deeply. See their face in your mind and imagine them smiling. Gently send these wishes to them. May you be safe. May you be healthy. May you live with ease. May you be happy. Next, allow your awareness to expand outward to include all people everywhere, all beings across the world. Send this same loving kindness to them. May all beings be safe. May all beings be healthy. May all beings live with ease. May all beings be happy. Take one final deep breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. Carry this feeling of warmth and kindness with you into the rest of your day.